If you have knee pain, you must start walking properly. Now, let's see how walking improperly could damage your knees. When they walk, they have both feet pointing directly forward, and the two knees are pressing onto each other very tightly. Now, I don't know why people walk this way these days. Maybe, I think, they want the legs to look straighter or longer, because nowadays people wear short skirts, hot pants, and leggings, so the whole leg may be kind of seen. Now look, she's walking with the feet turning inward, so the toes are pointing in instead of having the feet having an angle pointing outwards, and the knees have to rotate inward quite a lot, and that's really hurting the knees. She's walking with the right foot pointing directly forward, but this left foot is pointing very much to the other side, and this ankle is bulging out when she's walking forward. So there's a big gap in between the two heels. Now, that is why she's got fasciitis at the bottom of the right foot. So what's the proper way that we should walk? Now assume we walk alongside a straight line. When we walk, we have the ankles or the heels almost scratching onto each other when we approach forward. And then we push or we relax the knee forward along the foot, approaching the tip of the toes, and walk another step forward along the same straight line and walk forward with the knee relaxing towards the toes that way. There are two reasons why do we have to walk this way. Firstly, the hip joint. The hip joint is designed to rotate. But the knee is like the finger. The knee joint is like a finger joint. They are supposed to bend only and not rotate. So if we approach forward at an angle and we push the knee forward, that means the knee joint is twisted. And we keep on walking that way, we twist the knee all the time. That's why the knee joint gets misaligned and we get knee pain. If we approach on a straight line and we push the knee towards the toes, and there is the support of the knee by the foot. If we do something else, then the knee is not supposed to be, it's not supported by the foot, and we keep twisting the knees, the ankles, and the hips, and we get a lot of pain all along the leg. Now the second reason has got to do with the energy, the qigong. If we walk alongside a straight line with the feet at an angle, say 25 degrees on each side, then the toes will touch down, touch the ground, not pressing down, but touch down, one by one, one by one, one by one. Now we know we have meridians and also what we call reflexes. The energy bounces up from the bottom of the feet on every step we take. If you have the foot facing directly forward, the toes do not touch down one by one. Do not. That's why that lady just now got fasciitis. If we walk healthily, then we will have the pain gone very soon, and even fasciitis will heal in time. So if you do not want to get a lot of pain in the knees, in the ankles, in the hips, even the spine, causing sciatica, you got to walk properly from today. Now she is trying to walk the proper way, but it's actually not easy to get into the correct posture right at once. Okay, so it looks a little bit uneasy at the moment, but keep trying. The walk will soon improve, hopefully. Now this is also very typical of how today people walk. Now see how she's walking. She's got the 2 feet pointing outward at an angle which is it's not too bad. It's not too bad. The angle is good, but the thing is she's having her two knees leaning towards each other in her walk. So that is actually producing a lot of pain for her knees. But now she has been trying to walk the proper way for 2 weeks. So how do you feel after walking properly for some time?
I feel my hip is opening.
Yeah. Now, it's a good sign that finally her hip joints are rotating back to what it should be. But the thing is, at this moment, when she's trying to get things corrected, she may feel a bit of pain when the hips are opening and the knees are rotating the other way, and the knees may feel extra bit of pain as before. But in time, very soon for her, I think in about 2 months, the pain will be gone and the knees will get much better. Yet, some may say walking properly doesn't look nice. Well, see for yourself.